We have continuing coverage now on the trial of former state Senate Majority Leader Joe Bruno. A staff member who worked for decades for the once powerful Senate leader took the witness stand today. Bruno is once again facing federal corruption charges in Albany. The staffer was not the only one to testify. Our Matt Markham was in the courtroom. He is live in Albany with more on what happened inside the courthouse today. Hi, Matt.
Hi, Greg. Good evening. Inside court, we heard from the so-called gatekeeper to Senator Bruno's affairs, and outside court, we heard some questions from the senator himself.
I'm still trying to figure out what is going on. I mean, I just can't understand what is happening here.
Here first on the witness list, Patricia Stackrow, the gatekeeper, a worker for Senator Bruno for 24 years, closest when he served as majority leader. She's handled his schedule and also some of Bruno's financial records. She recalled checks coming in worth $20,000 a month from consulting firms. When asked if she knew what work Bruno did for those consulting firms, she said she didn't know. The U.S. Attorney's Office claims Bruno accepted the money from firms connected to businessman Jared Abrazizi in a quid pro quo bribery scheme for helping Abrazizi with state grants. But on cross-examination, Stackrow said she was never instructed to change anything on financial disclosure forms. Late in the trial day, the prosecution called Wayne Barr to the stand. The judge said he was hostile.
He was a business partner and attorney for Abrazizi. He was involved in drafting the consulting agreements. He was placed on the NYRA board by Joe Bruno at a time that he may have had interests connected to the racing industry. So he's very important. In fact, the jury was told he was given immunity for his testimony. In other words, he asserted the Fifth Amendment, is being compelled to answer questions.
The senator shared some general thoughts after lunch.
It is very tiring.
Is there anything specifically, Mr. Bruno, you might want to say to your constituents?
There's a lot I want to say, but I am, really told to not be saying much of anything. And that's not my style, as you all know, but it is what it is.
And Mr. Barr will be back on the stand tomorrow. Reporting live at Federal Court in Albany now, Matt Markham, CBS 6 News.